Hi everyone, this is the Kmart Light and Sound Reaper. It's $95. It's about 6 foot tall, so it's 1.82 metres. It comes with everything you see there. It's got quite a sturdy sort of base. I guess if you're going to use it in an area where there could be high wind, you could just put a sandbag or a brick or something mainly on the back of it somewhere. The frame extends around the back as a sort of a loop. So it's quite good, easy to put together. Would be easy to take apart again for storage. So you don't have to store it as is. It's got a try me button on the arm there, so you could run that off to an external button if you wanted to. If you, with a little bit of soldering or just a little bit of wire joining, you could get into those wires and put a momentary normally open switch in parallel with the existing try me button, or just cut that button out and remote it. So it's also got the light sensor or shadow sensor sort of thing built onto the front there. Those don't tend to work all that well. You've really got to arrange it so that there's some light falling on it, and then the person coming up to it is going to cast a shadow over it to trigger. So we'll trigger him and see how it goes. Seems to only have one saying from what I've heard so far. It would have been nice if the soundtrack had been a little bit less muddy. It's got a lot of different sounds competing there. Would have been good if it had been just the voice with a very low background sound effects and things like that. But anyway, it's something you could always improve on later on if you wanted to hack one of these. So overall it's pretty good value, I think. And it clicks together for storage. You can click it apart. It's got these little pieces down there, those little pins that just push down when you are putting it together, and click them in, and then you can click them out the same way, so you can store it back in the box. Although you might struggle to get it back into the same box. It never seems to go back in the same box you get it from with these sort of things. Anyway, I thought it was pretty good value, and thought you might like to see what they're like before you go out and spend your money. Thanks for watching.